Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone of your mobile phone to your favorite song or music. It is very easy and simple. First go to the settings, click on the settings, scroll, click on sounds and vibration, click on ringtone. You can also select one of these ringtones. To add your favorite song as the ringtone, click on the plus icon. Here you get all the audios and musics and songs that you have in your phone. You can also go to specific folders. For example, this folder, and I have here 4 folders: favorite song, music song, Samsung, and travel songs. For example, I want to choose from favorite song. It is say that it is okay, and now click on done. So now this is the ringtone. That's it guys. I hope it was helpful. I have published many courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks that can help you with your career, with your job, with your projects, with your studies, and with your everyday life. So make sure to watch them as well. Take care and have beautiful times.